Hello all my travel and cruising friends, it's Rob here from Cruising on the High Seas and Travel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of the footages that I captured while taking the Haunted Ghost Tour in New Orleans. So stay tuned till after my intros and I'll be sharing with you some great footage that I managed to get while I was on that tour. I'll see you after the intros. Thank you for staying through the intros, and like I said, I'll be sharing with you some of the footages I got while I was on the Ghosted Haunted Tour here in New Orleans. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you after the footages. thank you for staying through the end. And I hope you all enjoyed some of the footages I managed to capture well on the Haunted Ghost Tour in New Orleans. Tomorrow, make sure you check out my food review at the New Orleans Hamburger and Seafood Corp. Coming to you at 4 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Central, and I think that would work out to be about around 1 o'clock Pacific time. So make sure you check that video out tomorrow on the food review that I do weekly Wednesdays. So until next time, I will see you guys all on the high seas, or wherever travels may take us, or even the chats, comment sections, wherever it may take us. Until then, bye for now.